One thing I noticed with the Mishimoto catch can, if you have a Sirimoto flexfuel kit, if you look closely, and if you have this kit, if you may have watched the instructions, the catch can is not supposed to sit over here. It's supposed to sit over here. But the problem with that is that when you get it sitting where it's supposed to, it hits on the Sirimoto flexfuel kit. So what you would do is you'd have to remove this bracket that is here. I wish I could show you the bracket right now, but the bracket is to hold this plastic fuel for the fuel line. It runs all the way down there and everything. And if you put the Mishimoto catch can bracket on backwards, you can actually mount it the opposite direction. And when you mount it the opposite direction, you would have to utilize the factory line. You can use the other line if you would like, but I went with the base Mishimoto one that they gave me with it. And it works exactly the same way. It's just reversed, put on backwards. Instead of it having an M for Mishimoto, it has a W. But that's how you would have to run it if you were going to run it with a Sirimoto flexfuel kit.